Come test drive the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. And is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, suspension control electronic. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.